Today I'm going to open the Madrigal family is boxes. They're locked in all of these 7. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. So I'll teach you how to open them. First, we are going to start with Mirabel. So she was in 9. I think it's a 6 or 9. I don't know. Let's just peel her off. Yeah. Oh, I hope it's Mirabel. No, it's Camilo. It's Camilo. Now let's remove him up in the jiffy. See? It's Camilo. Now we are going to find Mirabel in the last one because he's the real character. So we need to find Mirabel. Okay. I hope in here there's Mirabel. No, it's Bruno. I mean, it's Peppa. I just kidding. It's just Peppa. Okay, now let's put this back. Okay. Okay. Now I have this Mirabel. There's one box left, guys. 1. No, it's Isabella. I forgot Isabella. I didn't think that is Mirabel. There's Isabella beside Peppa. I hope it's Mirabel now. It's Mirabel! It's Mirabel! I just found Mirabel. She's the real character I found. Let's close all of these boxes back. Now, just close all of the boxes. Okay. I hope you liked our video from Madrigal family. It was so fun to do it with you and guys. And I hope you liked the video and give us a big thumbs up. And I hope you like the video in some time and you watch it in my Sanya video.